It's something that never works, but I'm gonna use my sensations if I'm even over. You know what? This isn't working. This feels smaller.
What? This? I think I already used that.
This feels too tall to be it. Maybe this one.
What?
This isn't. Am I allowed to put things back? I don't think so. Just put a little bit.
Oh! Well, look at that.
And next item has to be activator. It sounds like activator.
Should I just put it in?
Yes.
It's probably activator. If it comes out easily, that's definitely activator. Yeah, it's coming out easily. That's activator.
No.
That sound though. Okay.
It sounded like it was all like dumping out.
Do we put color in it? I found a paintbrush. I'm just gonna open them all with randomly. Okay, here.
I kind of am peeking.
Huh?
Because I forgot what colors there
It's
were.
a spoon.
I
Yeah,
forgot what colors there were, so I opened one of them.
Okay. I'm just gonna randomly whatever this color is. It's gonna.
There we go. I think we should open our eyes.
I'm not sure. Gonna get more.
It's
of that
probably
other
pretty
color.
big, so you can put a lot.
I bet it's like overflowing or something. Oh, I got some some paint on my finger. But I think that's enough paint for now. Okay, I'm just gonna mix it around. Wait, did we already put activator in it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Let's open our eyes.
Ew. That does not. Okay. No, real.
Oh.
It looks like some sort of maple syrup. I knew I dropped something on the floor. Ew. Oh gosh.
This is not activating.
I need more activator.
Here, wait. I'm gonna mix it because it seems too watery. It just
Need
has
more
to
glue,
mix.
I guess.
Uh-oh.
Yee. The whole entire bottle. I'm just kidding. That was gonna do the whole entire bottle.
Is this all activator?
I'm not sure. I think I put it. Well, activator does come out really easily, so I bet it's like mostly activator. Get this shaving cream stuff out of the way. Ew. Squirted. Oh my god, it's squirted.
Yes, it's very watery.
It needs more water. Well, there goes that.
So, once again, it's a failed slime. Because,
terrible
I mean, this isn't slime.
I think we put in way too much activator. I mean, I did.
It doesn't, it's way too much activator.
Definitely. I can tell.
'Cause look.
for sure.
And look at
It's like guts. To be honest.
Let's clean the table.
With weird gut stuff.
It's not even fully mixed in. The color, it's like, and it's like, looks like you put in pink.
I thought I put in white. Or blue, either one of those. Maybe, oh. There's like some weird purple one. This is like pink. Yeah, there's like some purple. I think I put purple and pink. Maybe.
Oh yeah, see right there.
Yeah, I think I did that.
Because I see pink right there.
Oh.
And then, right there, oh. And then there's, uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's falling apart. It's falling apart.
And
This is the slime I made earlier.
and
It
there's
looks
the
like
dewy slime.
I hate that.
Oh, jeez. Well, that was a fail.
That means you got
It's actually a pretty good slime.
you got 2 of them inside.
What?
Jesus.
Jesus.
I gotta do.
Why is there hair in there? Get out of here. Get out. Why is the hair stuck?
No, wait, is it really stuck?
There you go. There you go.
Okay, pink slime.
Yay.
Pink slime,
It's
pink
mushy,
slime.
way too wet. And
Gooey stuff. Overreacting.
Overreactivated slime.
Shaving cream instantly, like, activates it. Yeah.
I don't know how much we put.
A lot, probably. I think I did, like, I don't know, 20 seconds or something. Probably not 20 seconds, like.
It's actually getting better. As
This is already turning
do you
into slime.
think we put some like a
Weird.
bunch of different slimes in it?
Yeah, maybe we put in some clear or something.
Because I felt a bigger in a smaller bottle.
Excuse you guys.
That was the glue thing.
So it's actually gotten a little better.
Okay.
It's super hard though.
Whipped cream. Whipped cream. It's ice cream. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up.
It's a good thing they're not gonna eat it.
It's not whipped cream, actually.
It's just like terrible.
Yeah, that's what we're saying there. You guys are calling it whipped cream, but shaving
Shaving
cream.
Yeah, but
It sounds
it's
good.
like whipped cream, except it basically isn't healthy. It's not edible, and oh my gosh, what did you just draw?
Slime.
You'll die. I mean, it tastes really bad though.
It activated just popped on my
Sounds like a good carrot.
it just dropped like a bunch on the floor.
Look at the camera.
Uh-oh. Boop.
This is like, for some reason, just at this moment, I want gum. Well, there's our overactivated slime.
Oh.
Like one of those new pictures.
Whoa, no. It was like a tongue.
Now it's got like green on it.
Ew.
Ew, pink and green.
What?
Wait, that does not look.
What color
That does not sound like that would look so good.
It fell in
Oh,
this.
it's
Oh,
I'm making like a
I'm
bloody
clumsy. I'm clumsy the clown.
Quincy.
Do you have ear clowns?
Yeah.
I have a fear of not clowns, but because I want to watch it. Can we watch it tonight?
Yeah, I like it. Well, I've never seen it, but I think I would like it. But not
It's really
movies, yeah, but not like actual experience in it, like
It's
in
not-
real life.
It's not scary at all.
No, I definitely want to experience a killer clown in real life that turns into a big spider. Like,
Me too.
No, but me not. Definitely not me. I'm a wimp.
Well, if
I would so wimp out of that and probably ditch everyone. So, yeah, I would probably just
I
ditch you.
just skip town.
Which one's gonna lose their arm?
Georgie,
No,
I think.
It's just real life though. It's gotta be one of you.
probably Sita.
Yeah, I wouldn't take something from a clown in the sewers, so
Yee.
listen to me.
Right. Who's that now?
Good job.
Georgie's not dumb. He wasn't supposed to talk to strangers, but he lured him in.
Talk to a clown in a sewer.
Isn't
Yeah,
that obvious?
right.
Why would a clown be living in the sewer? Why not like a circus? Yee. Because what?
Look at it's all
He once
ripped.
told him his name and said, "See, we're not
These
strangers."
slimes have been failed. It's Pac-Man.
We did it.
Okay.
All these slimes are fails.
Failers. Failers.
Okay. It's Pac-Man.
Fail slime.
Oops.
Oops, good job. You failed. You failed.
At life.
I am gonna wrap this up. No, I ripped. That sound though. GG. Just. Well, too bad for me.
So
This activator's
that's
getting in the way.
slime that we made.
Why did you mix it up with that? It looks so. Oh, dang. Well, you just sprayed it all over the couch. Well, not really all over, just like dots. Yeah. I thought you were gonna like drop it on the floor. Gee, that's so cool. No, don't get in. Don't get in that. Don't get in that. Let me see. What does work?
Sucker!
Is slime good for blocking water? 3, 2, 1. Does this work? Will this work? There's water. It works.
Wait, I have an idea.
No, I'm gonna do something first.
Don't step on the slime.
So I was gonna step on the slime. And whose fault is it for putting it on the floor? That's enough, I think.
This is warm slime.
True. Let's put it upside down and see if it'll. Water, are you gonna drain out? Yeah, because there's a hole there, but
Look.
I know it's not. Oh well, yeah, that's enough.
We should throw that.
You just turned into like weird stuff, weird slime. Oh,
Got some yellow.
ew. So, the sound though.
That's our first. Ew. I tried mixing color into our last slime.
Ever. JK, not ever. I made like a 2D fruit.